Hello friends, as I have promised you that I am going to make the videos to help the people who are going to be the part of the pharmaceutical industries, and this industries is new for them, and before joining this industries they think that what they do not know about the industries, that what work these industries are doing and how they are working and what are the regulations they are following and what are the guidelines they are following. So today I have brought the topic that what are the pharmaceutical industries, so that the people who are going to join the pharmaceutical industry, they can know about somewhat some idea about these industries, that what these industries are doing. So let me tell you that everybody know that healthcare sector is the biggest sector in the world who is taking care of the humans. This is the system which is supporting our health, and it is helping us to live the healthy and happy life. So pharmaceutical industry is very important component of this healthcare system. So what these pharmaceutical industries do, these are the industries which discover the drugs, discover the pharmaceutical drugs. These are the industries which develop these drugs. These are the industries which are manufacturing these drugs. These are the industries which are doing marketing of these drugs. So these industries are discovering, developing, manufacturing and doing marketing for the drugs which are manufactured for the humans and animals to cure their diseases and to cure the illness and correct the disorders in humans and animals. These industries are private industries also, and these industries are public industries also. As we know that there are active pharmaceutical ingredients and formulations. So these pharmaceutical industries are manufacturing active pharmaceutical ingredients. So these industries are called active API industries, means active pharmaceutical ingredients manufacturing organizations. And another type of pharmaceutical industries are the industries which are manufacturing the formulations, and these formulations are the dosage forms which we can consume directly. As we know that we can it is rare that we are consuming the drugs in its purest form, in pure form. So we have to manufacture the drugs, and we have to manufacture the drugs in dosage forms, and these dosage forms are classified into the three types: solid dosage forms, liquid dosage forms and semi-solid dosage forms. There are few examples of the solid dosage forms is tablet, capsules, pills, powders and granules. As we know that whenever we get sick, so we generally we take the medicines in tablet and capsule forms. So these are the dosage forms which we can consume. Okay, so this is one form, and another classification is that liquid dosage forms. We know that the few examples of the liquid dosage forms are syrup and elixirs and eye drops, mouthwash, etc. Third type of the dosage form is semi-solid dosage forms. Examples of this dosage form is cream, ointment, jellies and paste. So these are the classification of the dosage forms. There are different types of the formulations, like oral formulations, parenteral formulations, topical formulations, MR formulations, oncological formulations and new drug formulations. In this way, we conclude that these pharmaceutical industries manufacture the active pharmaceutical ingredients and different dosage forms and different formulations. So this is the answer of the questions, that what are the pharmaceutical industries and what they do. In my next video, I will tell you that what are the systems on which these pharmaceutical industries are working. What are the their roles, and based on that, the people who are going to join this industry, they can have some idea about the functions of the systems which are taking place in the pharmaceutical industries. For today, this was the details I wanted to share with all of you. So Dr. Rupali Paranspe is signing out until I bring the new information for all of you. Thank you.